So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Pentacles. This person is feeling like this situation is a little bit imbalanced right now. Things are not balanced. Things are not in alignment. Okay. So they might be feeling like you might be giving to something else or someone else also, or the vice versa is also true. But there is certain kind of imbalance in the situation that they're feeling. What is happening with my nose today? I'm tired of this nose itching thing. It's happening since morning. I took citrazine also, the allergy medicine also. Let's see, what do you feel? Let's see. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles as their feelings for you or this situation. Pisces. I'm going to itch. I'm going to scratch my nose a lot today. Huh? Just bear with me. We have the Strength card, the Knight of Wands, the Two of Cups. Ah, this person is feeling like they should hold back this urge or desire to do anything stupid, to do anything out of impulse, out of passion, or out of let's do this or let's do that kind of a thing, because they still care for you. They still consider you as somebody very close to their heart and soul. So that's why they feel like they should refrain from doing something stupid that is going to bother you or them, or that is going to ruin this connection in any way, shape, or form. That's what they're feeling. Even if there is imbalance, they feel like they should not act out of impulse. They should calm down their horses. They should think about the situation in a positive way. And they feel a soulmate kind of a connection between you and them still. Still, in the sense, if you guys are not together or not talking to each other. If you guys are together, talking to each other, staying in the same house, then there might be some kind of rift going on. Huh? Take it how it resonates with you. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular, and don't go on my literal words. Literal words. A lot of people like you only said if they are living in your house. Oh my god, if you have a connection, it's strong, it's beautiful. It doesn't matter if you guys are living together or not. Just don't try to understand the feelings as well, emotions as well, and use common sense and brain as well while watching YouTube videos, huh honey? Especially this one, tarot. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Queen of Wands. You feel like sitting in your power, doing your own thing, looking good, making yourself like aging like a fine wine kind of a thing. You feel like right now you should just sit in your power and you should not bother too much about anything or anyone. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Lovers and the Eight of Wands and the King of Wands. This person, this situation is very important for you. There is a lot of infatuation, there is a lot of love, there is a lot of attraction, there is lust, every kind of energy, and you feel like talking to this person openly and honestly about your feelings. You feel like this is a match made in heaven kind of energy between you and this person. So you feel like talking your heart out with this person, having heart to heart communications, back to back communication. There should not be any kind of miscommunication or lack of communication. There should not be any kind of misunderstanding, right? This is what you feel. You strongly feel a strong bond with this person, and you feel like you should keep things sorted, keep things very clear, okay? And you feel like this person and you are match made in heaven. Good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? We have the King of Cups. Their intention here is to sort things out in a very mature, very grounded, emotionally mature and emotionally grounded kind of energy. They want to solve the issues that's going on between you and them. I don't think so they're that major of issues. but they want to sort things out with you in a very emotionally mature and grounded way. Let's clarify the King of Cups as their intentions. So I have the Sun card, the Two of Swords, Three of Swords. Yes, they want to clear the air with you regarding some kind of up in the air energy, regarding something that hurt you or bothered you, or that made any kind of uncomfortable, kind of painful kind of situations between you and this person. So they want to clear the air with you regarding something that might have hurt you, or that might have created any kind of painful situation between you and this person. This is good, this is good. Both of you are in love, both of you want the same thing, both of you are, feeling the depth of the situation. There might be something going on in the situation that's not clear, and they have every intention to clear this with you. This is really cool. This is for those who are married or committed to each other, or having a solid committed relationship with each other. I don't think so this is for somebody who's in casual dating, or you guys are together today and then you're not talking to each other for 1 year or so, and then you're together again. So take it how it resonates with you, huh? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Two of Wands. From your side, you just want to wait and watch and hope for something to come out in a positive way. You might be having two thoughts right now about this particular person or situation, and one energy you are keeping it in the backside, and one energy you want to go ahead with. But you are looking forward to have some kind of positive outcome of your choice that you're making in this situation. So you're looking forward to have some kind of positive outcome out of this situation in the coming future. Let's clarify the Two of Wands as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Pisces. We have the Four of Cups and the Six of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, right now you are deciding to be with yourself, super focused on yourself. You just want to get out of this disappointment that you keep on facing in your love and relationship area again and again and again. Right now you just want to claim your independence, claim your freedom, and do your own thing. Maybe you just want a short break from this person, from this situation. Maybe you just want to go on a vacation or a solo trip or something like that. You just want to be yourself for the time being, because you want to get out of the disappointment that you're facing in the situation because of whatever is happening. And again, I'm not saying it is a very, very huge deal or big deal or something, but you need your space in order to be okay again within this dynamics. That's cool, as long as you're not going to take too long, that it's going to be too little too late. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 2nd of August, Pisces. We have the Ace of Wands. It's like a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter, a brand new situation. Your sex life is going to improve a lot, by the way, Pisces, this week, if you're looking forward to have that. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as a potential outcome for you guys till the end of this week. तेरे बिना लगता ना दिल पतलों, करके बहाना कोई मिल पतलों. We have the Queen of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Moon card. I do see two people very passionately connecting with each other, reconnecting with each other, creating a really beautiful, positive, happy go lucky kind of energy. But there are lots of things that are not going to be fully revealed, fully expressed. There is going to be a little bit of confusion, a little bit of things not being that much clear and that much honest. I don't see anybody's cheating here on anyone. I don't think so. Might be things are not going to be that much clear or honest because of the lack of participation from both the sides. Let's say I want to talk to you about something that happened 2 years ago, and right now you are not in the mood of listening. So that thing is going to remain in the background while I'm enjoying my connection with you. We are enjoying the friendship, we are enjoying the bond, we are doing everything to make things right. But a little bit of things are going to be not so clear, not so clean. It's okay. It's okay. With time, I think it's going to be okay. I don't think so. It's something to worry about right now. Let's see The guidance here for you guys for this week, for this situation, Pisces. We have the Knight of Cups and the Six of Wands, the Ten of Cups. Enjoy the bond, enjoy the connection, enjoy this love, enjoy this soulmate kind of dynamics that you are having with somebody. Things are not bad right now, Pisces. Don't make them difficult to deal with deliberately. Hmm? If you are having small issues, like that much, not that much of big kind of issues, don't make them big deliberately. Sort things out with each other with love and compassion, with forgiveness kind of energy. Okay, try to make each other feel like you guys are the center of attention of each other's world. Okay, and then try to act as a team in the situation, in the bond. Like instead of making it look like they are the one to blame here, they should act like this, they should act like this. Try to make it a teamwork kind of a thing. Now of course both of you should feel the same, both of you should come on the same page, both of you should want the same thing, then only it's happening, then only it's possible. But at least from your side, keep your heart open, energies open to the idea of sorting things out with love, with care, with compassion and forgiveness. And you can talk to this person openly and honestly about your feelings, your fears, your insecurities, and what you want and what you don't want. Again, in a kind and compassionate and um, forgiveness kind of a way, not in a dominant kind of a way. This is what I want, and this is how it is going to be. Otherwise, it's going to be a shit show. So, this situation right now, by every means, is recoverable. Can be healed properly, can be resolved properly. There's no major blockage in the situation right now. Try not to make it a big deal if it is not. Hmm? For cross watcher also. And if this is not resonating, then this is not your story, not your story, not your story. This is not for you. Don't make it look like personal every time I'm uploading on this channel. Okay, honey? Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is unlikely. The unlikely card, while not an absolute no, does suggest that what you're asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.